how to recover deleted drafts of Insta story. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward to the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and here you can see my draft story. So in order to recover it, you have to download the information which includes the draft of your Insta story. For downloading, simply go back, and in the right lower corner you can see the profile like icon. Simply tap on that. Tap on the hamburger option in the right upper corner and select the settings option. Here in the settings, tap and search for the download your information option. Here you can request download a copy of your information of the Instagram that also includes the drafts of the Insta story. You have to select the Gmail ID where you want to download your information. But be informed that it may even take up to 14 days to download and send a copy of your information to your Gmail ID. Before getting into the final step, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So after that, you can simply tap on the request download option and your download process will be started. So hope this video was helpful. Hope to see you guys in the next video.